It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. And if you are new, welcome. I am glad to have you, okay? So I just had a giveaway for the Gellen kit, and in this video I am going to announce the winner. So I am super excited about that. In this video I am applying some double dip powder on top of the Gellen Extensions, okay? So that's what you guys are going to see me do in this video. And this is something that I have been wanting to try for a while, so I thought that this was the perfect opportunity. And while you guys watch me do this, I have tons of dip videos about prep, how to apply it, how to marble, ombre, all these different things. So I will put some of those in the cards. But while you guys watch me do this, I am just going to talk to you guys a little bit about what's been going on. So I did take a short kind of 2-week break just to kind of focus and get some things done. I have been saying I was going to announce this winner for the longest, but a lot of different things came up. And if you do not know, I am a teacher. I teach math. So with school starting in August and everything, trying to kind of make that transition. If you are in education or have, children in school, we were all virtual, and now we're making that transition to going back in person and things like that. So I've been, dealing with that, of course. And, business wise, I am an Amazon affiliate now. I am an Amazon influencer and all these great things. So I will have the link to my storefront in the comments, in the description bar from now on, so that you guys can go over there and see all of the things that I use to organize, the tips that I use, like all of these different kind of things. I have like the little categories set up so that you guys can go over there and see everything that I use. I am also now a brand ambassador for Afro Glam Nails, so I cannot wait to show you guys all of the goodies that she sent me. So y'all know, y'all gonna be the first to see it, so I'm just so excited about that. And this past weekend I had like a really big event that I was preparing for, studying for, all that kind of stuff. And I had to sing at an event the other day. So really a lot has been going on, and I've been kind of stressed out and really tired, really exhausted. So that is why I needed to take a little time to kind of get all of that done, try to get some sleep, try to get some rest. My headaches and everything were like on an extreme level, and it's just been a lot, y'all. But all that to say, God is good. I am glad to be back. I wish this video was out at 12, which is my usual schedule. But I did have to have a singing engagement last night. So we're getting this video out on Monday, okay? So hopefully moving forward, the Monday, Wednesday, Friday videos, they may continue at 12 p.m. I have been thinking about doing maybe 2 days a week instead of 3, But we will just see what October, has for us. I do have a lot of things that I have to review, a lot of tip kits, like the glue gel kits. I recently just got a couple of poly gel kits that I want to show you guys. So I have a lot of things planned. I just need to, film it, edit it, and get it out to you guys. So that's what we're going to be working on over here on Itz Sirap, okay? Trying to get all these goodies out into you guys. And another thing that I wanted to talk about on this channel, I like in real life, in person, whatever. I know some people feel like, they're a different person in their regular life versus their online personality or whatever like that. And over here on Itz Sirap, Itz Sirap is Itz Paris, okay? It's everything that I love, everything that brings me joy, hair, makeup, nails, anything beauty related, like that's me. It's Paris. So on this channel, I don't want any negativity, any mess or confusion. I don't like that. So I don't want that associated with my channel. So if you are a negative person, if you have negative comments to say and all that kind of stuff, please don't come over here on Itz Sirap doing all of that, okay? We don't want to do that over here, okay? So I'm here to show you guys these products, show you the best way that I have, when I used it, the things that work for me. If something else worked different for you, that's great. I don't mind you, sharing your experiences and things like that in the comments, because I really enjoy talking to you guys about, what worked for you when you tried it, if this happened, and I can try to offer, suggestions and things like that. I love, reading you guys' comments and going back and forth with you all. I love that. But when you are saying things work this way that don't, or all like different things like that, one thing I do not want to do is misinform anybody, okay? I don't want to come on here and show y'all these products and be like, oh, it worked like this, or you can use it like that and all of that. I'm all about, following directions, doing what the manufacturer said. I don't want to mislead anybody. I don't want to tell you guys, oh, do this, and then you go buy it and it don't work like that. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys have seen some of the comments on the Gellen video and maybe the Beatles video about the lamp, how you don't have to tap the lamp, how it's motion sensory, all these different things, y'all, I watched a video of Beatles use the lamp and they were tapping the lamp. Like, why would I tap the lamp if it's motion sensory? You know what I'm saying? So just little things like that. If you want to comment and go back and forth and argue and all that kind of stuff, you can kindly unsubscribe. I appreciate all of the subscribers, all of the support that I have been getting, but I don't have time in my life for negativity, and I don't want that on my channel. So if that's what you're trying to bring over here, then just hit the unsubscribe button and it's okay, all right? So with that being said, for this giveaway with the Gellen kit, you are going to get, that whole kit, and you're going to get half square and half coffin nails. And I put the names of the people in my phone, and I did a random name picker, so I'm going to insert that in the video so you guys can see who the winner is. Congratulations to the winner, okay? And I will definitely reach out to you so that I can get that sent out to you. I do want to have more giveaways. Trust me, I had like a lot of stuff planned at like different milestones, but you know, life happens. So we're here with this big, you know, Gellen giveaway at the 2K, and I'm excited for the 3K, the 4K, the 5K. So let's, you know, share the videos, get your friends involved. You know, the friends that like nails, that like hair, that like makeup, all things beauty over here, okay? So take some of the videos and share them with some people so that we can grow this Itz Sirap family, okay? So here I'm just, you know, adding some cuticle oil. So just to get back to the video, I went in with my gel to do the dips. I wanted to not use my dip liquids and use some gel. So one thing that I did apply some peel off base coat so that I could pop these off and maybe change them out and do a different dip, but I did not do that, okay? Eventually I just, you know, took them all off and did something else to my nails, which you guys will see soon. So originally I was going to do this in 2 separate videos. I was going to do one hand in one video and the other hand in the other video, but I used these 2 different pinks by Double Dip and they came out so similar. I decided to just put them all together. So one thing that I like about using gel liquids in the dip process is you can, you know, kind of take your time and you can pour over and then clean up the sides. With the traditional dip liquids, of course, you want to try to avoid the sides because it will just harden, you know, anyway, and you'll just kind of be stuck. I also used the nail brush to remove the excess dust this time, and I just kind of feel like I prefer the dip liquids. Using the gel liquids, I didn't get a headache or anything, but I feel like the finish is just a lot better when you use the dip liquids. And these nails were actually glow in the dark. And every time I do glow in the dark nails, I always forget to insert like a clip or something of that. So the next time I will make sure that I film the clip or take like a little picture or something and show you guys the nails glowing. And even though I'm using gel liquids, I still like to kind of lay my nail in the powder sometimes. And that's just what I do. I feel like it really gets it in the gel. And I kept looking at these pinks like, what is the difference? They look just alike. But if you have a problem with dip liquids, like maybe they give you headaches or you get the dip flu or anything like that, I would say definitely try it with your gel liquids. This was my first time using the double dip with the Beetles gel liquid, so I might try it with maybe a different gel or something. So that's definitely something that I could try to see if it's kind of like a difference or anything. But the next time I use it, I might just use the double dip liquids. I feel like their liquids work really well. And I feel like it just looks better to me. But hey. So what I did was I sealed everything in with the top coat, and then I filed and shaped on top of that, and then I'm going in with another layer of top coat to finish it off. And the good thing about the gel is you can just put your hand in the lamp and cure it. Of course, with the dip system top coats, you have to actually let it dry. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you try to do dip on top of your plastic or whatever tip extensions, definitely tag me in it on Instagram so I can see those beautiful looks that you guys create. Now it's time for some more cuticle oil to finish it off. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.